Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making an Italian ricotta cake with chocolate chips. It's very similar to my Italian lemon ricotta cake, but instead of having a lemony flavor, it has a chocolate flavor to it. And it has the same exactly consistency, so creamy, and it melts in your mouth and it's so delicious. So let's get started. Like usual, I start by preparing a 7-inch pan with parchment paper. I slightly butter it so that the paper sticks better to it. Okay, now you'll need 3 whole eggs. I separate the yolks from the whites and I start by whisking the yolks with the sugar until the mixture becomes of a light yellowish color. I add a vanilla pod or a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's optional, but I added some lemon zest too. Then the ricotta cheese that you should drain from excess water if necessary. Lastly, I poured in 2 tablespoons of milk and some soft butter. I'm whisking it up until the mixture is smooth. I add in the cornstarch and I incorporate it well in the mixture. Then I set it aside. Now let's take care of the egg whites. Wash and dry well the whisks and then whisk the egg whites up for a couple of minutes until they're nice and firm. This will make the cake fluffier even without baking powder. You'll know that the egg whites are ready when you can flip the bowl upside down and they stay completely put. The last step is to combine the egg whites and some chocolate chips with the mixture that we made previously with gentle movements. I also suggest freezing the chocolate chips ahead of time so that they slowly melt into the dough once it's cooking. Now pour everything in a pan and bake it in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 50-55 minutes. And here it is. Let it cool down and add some icing sugar on top if you like, and it's ready to be enjoyed. Since I'm a huge fan of chocolate, I think this version is actually my favorite one. I love it so much. I think chocolate and ricotta goes so well together. So I strongly suggest you give it a try. And if you do, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. Bye guys, see you next time.